Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. I'm Wenbo from Civil Engineering. Today I will talk about future vehicles. It includes three scenarios that will change the way we drive today. First, I will make a brief introduction about existing transportation and why we need improvements. First, the transportation system is designed to transport people or goods to their destination safely and efficiently. But is the existing transportation system safe and efficient enough? No. According to a report from WHO in 2013, there are 1.24 million of deaths and 20 to 50 million of non-fatal injuries. The traffic crash has become a leading cause of death and disability. And for efficiency, comparing the data in 2000 and 2011, the congestion has become popular in most cities, and the travel delay, wasted fuel emission, and congestion cost has increased greatly. So the existing transportation system is not safe and efficient enough. So how to improve it? Before doing that, we should know what causes these problems. The transportation system includes vehicles, drivers, and infrastructure. It is a very complicated system. So here I refer two figures to get causal factors. For congestion, most factors are related to infrastructure, but you see there is a second important factor, traffic incidents. It is highly related to drivers. And for safety, you can see that the most important factor is driver. So in future, trying to reduce the effects of drivers is an important direction to improve transportation system. And the following three scenarios are also based on this idea. First, in the near future, the connected vehicles are becoming popular. What is connected vehicles? It includes two subsystems. One is V2V, vehicle and vehicle are connected, and another one is V2I, vehicle and the infrastructure such as the signals and the traffic signs are connected. And here, the connected means vehicles and the infrastructure can spread their behavior and control information to near vehicles. The benefits of connected vehicles it provides 360 degree of vision and make the driver far-sighted. This video will show how it works. For example, when passing an intersection with a stop sign, some vehicles may violate the traffic rules. If you still pass, then you will have a crash. But the system can detect those vehicles and give you a crash alert and tell you you should stop and avoid a crash. And in this video clip, when you want to pass a slow-moving truck, you don't know whether there are vehicles on opposite lanes. But the system also can detect those vehicles and tell you alert that do not pass. And the third one is when you're driving on a freeway, you don't know the behavior of vehicles in front of you. But with this system, the system can tell you the behaviors of front vehicles, such as sudden brakes. With this information, you can react in advance and avoid some collisions. Next, we know in traditional vehicles, the rear view mirrors has a blind spot. This system can also tell you whether there are vehicles in those blind spots. And the system can also tell you the pavement conditions such as icy road and tell you the traffic speed information such as available echo length. And next, it can help you to search an available parking lot, and you don't need to drive around to find an available parking space. So, in America, the Department of Transportation has developed 7 test beds around the world, and the industry is increasing greatly, and some important telecommunication companies also joined this industry, such as AT&T. The connected vehicles looks good, but it is not good enough. In the far future, our goal is to develop autonomous vehicle. What is not autonomous vehicle? Autonomous vehicles are also known as self-driving or driverless. These vehicles can sense the environment automatically and navigate without human input. So the vehicles free drivers, and in the vehicle you can ride, you can eat, and do anything you want. The benefits of autonomous vehicles can the vehicles obey traffic rules, and it can make more efficient decisions. In this vehicle, this video will show how it works. This vehicle installed a laser sensor to sense environment. And this is sensor environment. This is real environment. This burn belt is planned route. Now we can see we sensed work zone on this route. So don't worry, autonomous vehicle can change its planned route to a safe and a new one. Works on the burn belt, it changes automatically. The vehicle drives on road as normal vehicles, not different from traditional ones. And the autonomous vehicle approach an intersection with stop signs, it can stop automatically and determine which arrive firstly and pass the intersection based on traffic rules. This clip shows the autonomous parking. When you arrive in your workplace, the vehicle can drop off you and drive to a parking lot and park automatically at a certain space. No driver. The market has attracted many important and influential companies such as Google, Intel, GM, and the inclusion of Google, Intel, and Apple also shows the bright prospect of this field. And but there is a long way to fully use autonomous vehicles. The third scenario, in the far future, our objective is to develop smart vehicles and a smart city. In a city, all subsystems such as mobility, building, water, energy are smart. And And these subsystems collaborate. And the objective of smart city is to efficiently use physical infrastructure, support development, engage effectively with residents in local governments, and emphasize on citizen participation and co-design, learn, adapt, and innovate, respond more efficiently and promptly to changing circumstances. Especially for the last objective, the smart vehicle can find their fastest route based on real traffic state and can reduce congestion. So finally, what it will look like in the far future? Actually, I don't know, and I think no one can imagine based on fast development of our technologies. And in future, the vehicle may fly, and the vehicle don't need a tire, don't need tires, and everything is possible. And we are lucky to experience these new things, but I think we are not lucky because in future, human may be the most foolish creatures. Yeah, that's all. Thanks.
Okay, thank you very much. It was